Hi guys, here is how to install or upgrade the power supply unit in your computer setup. To begin, locate the PSU installation area. It might be at the top or bottom of your PC case. If your case has an open design like this one, you can mount the PSU directly from the left side panel. However, if your case has a shroud like this one, you'll need to remove the right side panel. I recommend removing the right side panel anyway for cleaner cable management. Next, attach the PSU to the case using the screws provided. If the PSU is mounted at the top, rotate the case sideways or upside down to make the installation process more convenient. After securing the PSU in place, proceed to connecting all the cables. Start with the 20 or 24 pin ATX power connector, which is the largest one available. Be careful with this connector, as the detachable 4-pin part can make it tricky to fit properly. Avoid pressing too hard, as this could damage the motherboard. The best approach is to apply even pressure on both sides of the connector. When routing the cables, try to keep them clear of the fans to prevent airflow obstruction. Next, connect the CPU power connectors and ensure they clip securely into place. Attach the PCI Express power cable to the GPU if your graphics card requires one. Then connect the SATA or Molex power connectors to your storage devices. Finally, attach the power cables for any case fans, controllers, or additional devices that you may have on your case. If you're using a modular power supply, the process is essentially the same. However, you will also need to attach the cables to the PSU site. Ensure all connectors are securely and properly fitted on both the PSU and the motherboard, as improperly installed connectors can cause issues and may even lead to melting with high power CPUs and GPUs. If your PC case does not have a transparent glass panel, you can leave the cables as they are. For cleaner look, use zip ties to secure any hanging cables. If you're performing an upgrade, you will first need to reverse the process. Start by disconnecting all connectors, beginning with the ATX connector, followed by the CPU power connectors, PCI Express power connectors, storage power connectors, and finally any other devices powered by the PSU. Carefully pull out all the cables out of the case, ensuring you don't damage any component or other cables during the process. Once all cables are removed, unmount the PSU from the case by unscrewing it. Take this opportunity to clean any accumulated dust from the PSU and the surrounding area. After completing the upgrade, double-check all connections and ensure the cables are properly routed for optimal airflow and aesthetics. This will help maintain system stability and performance. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful and consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content like this. See you soon!